Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Char Siu. Char Siu is a Chinese dish that has influenced a lot of Hawaii's food. Usually you see Char Siu garnished as a side meat for dishes like fried rice, chow fun, and saimin. Its signature look is bright red and has a sweet and savory taste. But for this recipe, I omit the red food coloring. Here are the following ingredients. 5 spice is what gives the Char Siu its unique taste. It can be bought in most grocery stores in the spice section. It usually consists of a blend of cinnamon, cloves, fennel, star anise, and Szechuan peppercorns. First, make the marinade by combining the following ingredients in a medium bowl. Brown sugar, salt, 5 spice, white pepper, sesame oil, rice wine, or you can use dry sherry, SHOYU, HOISIN sauce, fermented red bean curd sauce, which helps give it that slight natural red color, minced garlic, and honey. Mix it well. After the marinade has been combined, set aside about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the marinade. This will be used to baste the pork. Buying the pork shoulder usually gives you a huge chunk. Just cut and measure out about 3 pounds of the pork. Make sure it is about 3 inches wide. After the pork has been cut out, place it either in a container or Ziploc bag. Cover it and place it in the fridge to marinate for a day or 2. Halfway through the marinade time, flip it over to make sure all sides are coated in the marinade. Put it back in the fridge and let it marinate for the remaining time. After the pork has finished soaking in the marinade, line a baking sheet with foil. The foil will help prevent the drippings from burning on the pan, which will save you time on cleaning. Set a wire rack on top of the pan, then pour some of the water onto the pan. By pouring the water on the pan, it will prevent the drippings from smoking and setting off the fire alarm. It will also help steam the pork, giving it that nice juiciness. Add the pork to the wire rack and make sure there are even enough spacing between them. Roast it in the oven at 475 degrees for 25 minutes. In the meantime, using the reserved marinade, add in honey and water. Mix it well. This will be used to baste the pork. After 25 minutes of roasting, flip the pork over, then rotate the pan 180 degrees to make sure the pork has evenly roasted. Let it roast for another 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, baste the pork, flip it, and baste it again. If the water has dried out, add in more water to the pan again. Pop it back into the oven and let it roast for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, Give it another final basting to all sides of the pork. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Then slice it into thin pieces. Serve it hot and enjoy this onolicious char siu. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!